What's up, gang? So a couple of weeks ago, I went to my parents' house for lunch and we did HotPot. We had a great time. The food was delicious. So it got me thinking, I want to do this too. I want to do it at my house. Me and Hannah are gonna have HotPot for dinner. Anyways, we have the chikua, fish cake thing, kamaboko, Naruto, kamaboko, fish cakes. I got fresh shrimp from Publix. I got a bunch of vegetables that are in the two-door, in my refrigerator. So the first thing I'm gonna worry about is the broth. Now, I don't have that many vegetables that I can use, but I did pick up a little bit of bouillon, vegetable flavored. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel the shrimp, get the shells off, all that, goodness gracious. I'm gonna put that in the pot of water that you see behind me. And then I'm going to let that simmer for a while, get all that shrimpiness, and strain that, add the bouillon, add the vegetables, and then I'll have broth. The mushrooms and everything else is gonna go in at one time, and it's gonna be easy dinner. It's gonna be delicious, and I can't wait. Anyways, the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and get that shrimp going. Alright, so I got my shrimp peeled, and I'm gonna use these skins and tails and legs and antenna, and it's gonna go in this pot of water. It's not that much, but something. So I got it on super high heat right now, but once it gets hot, I'm going to lower the temperature and let it simmer for a while. And then I'm gonna throw in some ginger and then the ends of my scallion that are in the cooler. I'm gonna cut them off about maybe here and then throw them in there as well. But these aren't deveined, so I'm going to do that first. Alright, quick update. So I got the shrimp shells in here, and I have some cut up ginger. I left the skin in there because I'm going to be straining all this anyways. And I've got the stalk ends of my scallion in there as well. So I'm going to let this simmer for a long time, and then hopefully it'll reduce. The flavors will be a little stronger. I'm going to add more water, and then I'm going to add some vegetable bouillon and make a broth. Alright, so this has been simmering for about an hour or so. But it smells really good. That ginger in there smells really good. I'm going to let this reduce and simmer for a couple more hours. Okay, so since this is pretty much done, I got all the flavors out that I want to. I'm going to transfer it into this Odin pot. And then but first I'm going to strain it and then put it in this pot. So now I'm left with this nice, rich, clear broth. We're not going to be eating for another few hours, so I'm not going to season it just yet. But I am going to leave it here. Alright, so time for an update. We got the broth ready. I went ahead and boiled some quail eggs, which I'm going to peel and set aside. The only thing we have to do now is cut up the fish cakes and the vegetables and pretty much set up a mise en place. So I'm going to do that now. It's going to be super easy. So I took the broth and I put it in the big pot. I added some water because I might need a refill of broth. And I'm going to add the vegetable bouillon cubes as well as hondashi stock for flavor. I'll split it in two. That way I'll have like a backup pot just in case I want more. So I'm going to start with 3 bouillon just in case. And I have 3.5 quarts of broth in here. So we're just going to start with 3. And if I need more, I'll just add another one. And then I'm probably going to use a tablespoon of hondashi. And if I need more, I'll just add more. Simple. Yum. So I added a tablespoon of that. And the 3 bouillon cube. And the flavor is like... What? Oh yeah, that's good. It's perfect. It's not like salty or anything. It's got like a slight hint of umami, but oof, umami. Yeah, that's good. I think we're gonna let it chill for a little bit. And Hannah's on a run. When she gets back, we're gonna go to Target because we need some stuff, and I'm off today, so that's just like what I do when I'm off. Let's go to Target. But yeah, we're chilling for now. We're gonna be eating here probably like in the next few hours. So. Awesome. Can't wait. Check these out. Got these at Target. House slippers. Check it out. Ooh. Yeah. Oops. Whoops. We have chikua fish cake. Fish cake. Fish cake. Tofu. Quail egg. Mushrooms, napa, negi, ebi, rice, and broth, and some special soy sauce. Y'all, the broth is going too. Look at that. Now we just need our movie. Did you grab my tablet? Check that out. Nice. Oh yeah. Can you pause that for a sec? So, look at that. Ooh. Yum. That's hot. And we're about to dive in, but I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Alright, so we're going to eat dinner, and are you okay with it? Just 2 seconds. Just 2 seconds. We're going to have dinner together real quick and enjoy this, and it's going to be awesome. We're also going to be watching our show. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. If you made it all the way to the end, if you want to, hit the like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.
The damage is done. Leftovers. Oh. I'm sleepy now.